Stop. Before you buy your next camera, you absolutely need to hear this. For over 2 years, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II has dominated the mirrorless market, but a shadow is looming. That shadow is the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Leaks are pouring in, and what we're about to uncover isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete system overhaul that could change how you shoot forever. If you're a photographer, a filmmaker, or just someone who demands the absolute best, spending $3,000 on the wrong body this year could be your biggest mistake. Stay tuned, because we're about to peel back the curtain on the most anticipated camera launch of the decade. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Why should you care about the R6 Mark III? The R6 series sits in the ultimate sweet spot, pro-level features without the pro-level price tag. But the competition has gotten fierce. Sony's A7 line, Nikon's Z series, they've all caught up. Canon knows the Mark III can't just be better, it has to be revolutionary. The biggest rumor? A completely new stacked sensor. Forget minor resolution bumps. We're talking about readout speeds that could practically eliminate rolling shutter, giving video shooters true cinema-grade stability. Imagine shooting a fast-paced action sequence, and every single frame is perfectly vertical, no jello effect. That alone is a game-changer for documentary and sports shooters. Let's talk about video, where the R6 series has traditionally excelled. Right now, the R6 II offers 6K oversampled 4K. Solid, but not groundbreaking. The leaks suggest we are finally getting internal 6K RAW recording. Not external, internal. This is a massive leap for color grading and post-production flexibility. And here's the kicker for documentary work. Rumors point to unlimited recording time due to superior heat management. No more overheating in the middle of a crucial interview or event. Think about that for a moment. The freedom to capture an entire wedding ceremony or a full lecture without interruption. This isn't a feature, it's reliability. Now, for the stills photographers. The R6 II is fast, but the Mark III is rumored to be blisteringly fast. We're anticipating a burst rate increase well past the current 40 frames per second electronic, maybe even approaching 60 frames per second with full autofocus and auto exposure. But speed is useless without intelligence. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is already incredible, but sources say the Mark III will introduce a deep learning autofocus system so advanced it can distinguish between human and animal species. Imagine tracking a rare bird in flight, not just its eye, but recognizing it as a specific type of bird and predicting its movement path with uncanny accuracy. This is predictive focusing, and it will redefine wildlife and sports photography. The resolution is also expected to creep up, likely settling in the 28 to 30 megapixel range. It's the perfect blend, high enough for massive prints, but low enough for superior low-light performance. A camera is an extension of your hand, and handling matters. The current R6 bodies are comfortable, but the Mark III is rumored to be addressing the pain points. Number 1, improved, higher resolution EVF, electronic viewfinder. A clearer, more responsive view that truly rivals an optical viewfinder. Number 2, dual CF Express Type B slots. Right now, the R6 II is a mix of SD and CF Express.